Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 21 reg Vauxhall Combo Elite, 21 reg Vauxhall Combo Elite, front parking sensors, alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear parking sensors as well, privacy glass in the rear, one owner with full service history. Has parking mirrors when you lock the vehicle as well. When you unlock the vehicle, comes out. Electric front windows, side airbags, armrests. It has sliding doors, 3 Isofix seats in the back here, and these are your extra seats. You can see are in good condition there. These seats will lift out if you don't want them. These 2 seats, this shelf obviously will come out. You can see loads of room. Very practical vehicle. This window will open. It's here, and this window will open, so you can load stuff in if you wish. You see the seats are all in good condition. We would show you that willingly if you wished. It has tables on the backs of the 2 front seats. You touch your thumb on it to lock it. To unlock it, you grab and it unlocks the vehicle. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, high adjustable driver's seat, auto lights, this is the start here. You put your foot on the brake, push this button, vehicle starts. Quickly show you Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Has this really useful pocket up here, storing stuff. Illuminated vanity mirror, there's just this side. Has a pocket here as well with your locking wheel nut there. Locking wheel nut key there. The vehicle's done 15,395 miles. Navigation, got your apps, telephone, USB here, heater controls here. This is your gear lever. This is how you drive it manually. There's a power outlet down here. Just a little pocket there. Quite a decent sized pocket there. You can put your phone and that. Eco button. Reversing camera. Parking sensors as well. 180 view, standard view, zoom view, auto mode. Have to take it out of reverse before. This is your music. Sources, radio. DAB radio. This is your car, turning all your different options on and off. Different vehicle settings, driving functions. Turns it off. There's auto headlights, you can see there. Auto headlights. It also has auto wipers. Cruise control speed limiter here. This is for your telephone voice activation. This is voice activation here. Volume button here. This changes the stations on here, basically. You also have these buttons here if you wish to drive tiptronically. Handbrake, it's a manual handbrake, not electronic. Nice space here to store stuff as well here. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. The vehicle turns off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.